Hello everyone. Well, you just saw the title and got into the video. So here is the offer for you. It saves more than 60,000 rupees by just taking the Times Prime membership. It gives access to Grofers, Gaana Plus, Z5, FitPass, and also provides exclusive offers from Big Basket, 1mg, Myntra, and more. So let's get to the video and look into what is Times Prime. So Times Prime is an exclusive membership program that touches and elevates every aspect of your life. As a member of Times Prime, you basically gain access to a wide range of exclusive content with great benefits from the brands you love. It's a one-stop shop for all your entertainment and lifestyle needs. So if you think how do you become a member, so basically you just log into the timesprime.com and then click on join Times Prime at rupees 999. So if you have an existing account, you log in, or else you enter your mobile number or email ID or register using your Facebook or Google, and then you receive an OTP where you can view the payment offers or apply a coupon code and all, and then you can do you can enter the card details, or using any UPI ID or any other net banking options you can do the transaction, and once you complete your transaction then you are ready to enjoy your Times Prime membership. So let's look into which all companies provide what kind of offer in Times Prime. So I had mentioned in the caption or the title that it's Z5 or Grofers and all. So there are much more than that what you get in rupees 999. So coming to Z5, you get a 1-year Z5 subscription which is basically worth rupees 999. Then you get 6 months of Sony Live Prime subscription, that is the newest or the special edition of this 2021, which is worth rupees 699. Then you get Grofers 3 months Smart Budget Club membership which is worth rupees 179. Now I'll just read out the names which further you'll be getting: ET Prime for 3 months, then you'll be getting Pharmacy, Headspace, Gaana Plus, then TOI, it is a 1-year Times of India subscription, then Cult Fit, Men's XP, Chayos, free chai at Chayos every 1 month, then comes Myntra, Audible, Udemy, then Google Nest, Nykaa, Kindle, get 3 months Kindle unlimited membership, and then comes Lifestyle, Paytm Mall, Kinder Pass, then Starbucks, free size upgrade on your Starbucks beverage, always savings up to 780 rupees. Then comes Movie, it's 3 months of free movies with Movie app which is worth rupees 1500. Then comes Nature's Basket, Uber, you get basically different savings on Uber rentals, so Uber Intercity or Uber Premier. Then comes Flipkart Flights, Dine Out Passport, Fresh Club, Men's XP, Healthify Me, Burger King, Home Center, Ferns and Petals, and GoIbibo. So basically once you apply, you basically get to save a lot of money in this. And if you want to check how to if you need to check what are the savings from your Times Prime, you can basically just check it. Your savings from your Times Prime membership will be visible on the home page of your Times Prime app. You can also check your savings by clicking on profile on the Times Prime app. So if you think, is there a free trial? Yes, absolutely, there's a free trial. It's for a limited period of time, where it was given during the launch period, and users are eligible for a 15 days free trial or a sign up. So if you think how can I continue enjoying the benefits once the Time membership is over, then you can log into the account in timesprime.com and then make a payment of rupees 999 only, and then you extend your Prime membership for another 1 year. And if you think how to activate offers on Times Prime, just click on your preferred offer, read the given activation process, click on activate to activate your promo code, and your promo code will appear. Follow these steps as explained under activation process, then enjoy your offers on Times membership. So basically what are you waiting for? Just log into Times Prime membership, put your number or put your email ID or Facebook, try to log in using Facebook, and then just pay rupees 999 and get free access to much more things.